Morning student, in our first lesson, Sources of History, we will complete our question and answers. First, question number 1, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Number 1, among the historical sources, dash sources are based on modern technology. Options are given: written, oral, material and audio visual. So correct option is audio visual. Among the historical sources, audio visual sources are based on modern technology. Number 2, the Didas is a museum in Pune which gives information about the history of Mahatma Gandhi. The 4 options are given: Aga Khan Palace, Sabarmati Ashram, Cellular Jail, Lakshmi Vilas Palace. So among them, Aga Khan Palace. The Aga Khan Palace is a museum in the Pune which gives information about the history of Mahatma Gandhi. Next one is a unquestioned discovery of modern technology in 20th century is dash. Options are Povada, photograph, interviews and films. So the correct option is films. A unquestioned discovery of modern technology is 20th century is film. So question number 2, explain the following statements with reasons. Among them, 1, during the British period, newspapers also acted as a source of social reformation. So dear students, this question's answer is in page number 2. Here newspaper and periodicals, here it is the answer. Newspaper provide us information about the contemporary events. Along with it, detailed analysis of a particular event, views of eminent people, editorial are also published. We get information about the political, social, economic and cultural happenings of that period. So that's why during the British period, newspaper also acted as source of social reformation. So question number 2, audio visual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy source for the study of modern Indian history. So the answer of this question is here. Recording is a form of audio source of history. During modern period, the speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the forms of recording. So that's why the audio visual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy source for the study of modern Indian history. So dear students, the question number 3, write short notes. Among them, first is photographs. This photograph short notes is here. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of photography of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. Through these photographs, we get information of the person or an event in the visual format. So, number 2, museum and history. In this question, short notes answer is here. In this one, museum and history. For the study of history, various objects, paintings, photographs and such other things are preserved. In a museum at the Aga Khan Palace in Pune, we can see different objects, documents giving information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Next short note is audio sources. Audio sources, these short notes here. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recording, film, etc. Obviously, these photographs, records or films can be used as a source of history. So now next question number 4, complete the following diagrams. Here material sources is given. You have to write down some sources of the material. Among the forts, buildings, palaces, coins, statues, caves and sculptures, copper plate, memorials, these are the examples of material sources. So dear students, you have to write down these all question answers in your notebook with the help of textbook.